Welcome to Alpha Review. Today, we aren't just looking at a car, we are looking at a statement of absolute dominance. This is the Brabus G-Wagon, specifically a bespoke interpretation that challenges the status quo of luxury off-roaders. When you see this vehicle, your first instinct isn't to think about fuel economy or trunk space. You think about power. You think about presence. And you think about how this machine manages to look like it's traveling at 100 miles per hour while standing perfectly still in a studio. The G-Class has always been an icon. Born from military necessity and refined by decades of German engineering, it has become the de facto choice for the world's elite. But the standard G63 is, for some, merely a starting point. That is where Brabus enters the conversation. They take the more is more philosophy and apply it with surgical precision. The exterior of this specific model, finished in this striking, high-gloss solar yellow, is a departure from the typical murdered-out black-on-black specs we usually see. It demands your attention. It refuses to blend in. Starting at the front, the first thing that hits you is the sheer mass of the Widestar body kit. Brabus doesn't just add a few lip spoilers, they resculpt the entire silhouette of the vehicle. The hood is a masterpiece of carbon fiber engineering, featuring a massive, functional power dome that suggests the beast lurking underneath needs every cubic centimeter of air it can get. The grille has been completely redesigned, moving away from the traditional Mercedes star to the bold B emblem, framed by signature red LED accents that glow like embers. The lighting signature is equally impressive. We have the classic round LED headlights that pay homage to the original 1979 G-Wagon, but they are flanked by modern LED strips integrated into the front air intakes. As we move down, the front bumper is a complex architecture of carbon fiber and cooling ducts. This isn't just for show, WHE. Moving to the side profile, the Widestar arches add nearly 4 inches of width to the vehicle. This gives it a squared-off, aggressive stance that makes the stock G-Wagon look almost narrow by comparison. Tucked under those massive arches are the Brabus Monoblock wheels, 23 or 24 inches of forged perfection, finished in a deep satin black with a yellow pinstripe that ties the whole exterior together. The side exit exhausts are a Brabus staple, and here they are finished in matte black. When you start this engine, the roar doesn't come from the back, it comes from right under your seat, vibrating through the chassis and reminding you that you're in control of something truly visceral. Now, let's talk about that rotation. Seeing this vehicle from the rear provides a whole new perspective on its design. The rear wing, mounted high atop the roofline, is a bold addition that balances out the heavy front end. It's crafted from exposed carbon fiber, a material you'll find repeated on the spare tire cover and the rear diffuser. The rear lights remain the classic small rectangles, but they are surrounded by the sheer bulk of the widened rear fenders. From this angle, you truly appreciate the box-on-wheels aesthetic that has made the G-Wagon a timeless piece of automotive art. It is unapologetically aerodynamic-defying, a brutalist monument to performance. But as impressive as the exterior is, the interior is where the true Alpha Review experience begins. Open the door, which still closes with that satisfying, rifle bolt clack that only a G-Wagon can produce, and you are transported into a world of bespoke craftsmanship. Brabus calls this their fine leather interior, and the term doesn't quite do it justice. For this specific build, the yellow theme from the exterior has been brought inside with incredible boldness. The seats are a masterclass in upholstery, featuring a combination of fine black leather and vibrant yellow accents. The quilting pattern on the seat centers. The dashboard is a seamless blend of old-world luxury and cutting-edge technology. You have the twin-screen MBUX system stretching across the driver's field of vision, providing all the data you could ever need. But it's the materials surrounding those screens that matter. Carbon fiber is everywhere, on the steering wheel, the center console, and even the passenger side grab handle. The steering wheel itself is a work of art, featuring Alcantara grips for maximum control and carbon fiber spokes that house the intuitive touch control buttons. One of the most impressive details in the cabin is the integration of the yellow accents. It's not just the seats, it's the contrast stitching on the leather-wrapped dash, the piping on the floor mats, and even the backlighting and the turbine-style air vents. Every time you glance around the cabin, you find a new detail that reminds you of the level of customization at play here.